Ito oh, ang mura. Tingnan ko kaya rating na ito. 4.5 stars? Ang dami may phone number ng seller din. So good. Orderin ko na to.
Hello? Magandang umaga po. Ano pong kailangan nila?
Hi po, interested po ako dun sa laptop. Available pa po ba?
Alright, pakasend na lang po ng personal info dito. 1 week lang, darating na yan.
Personal info? Kailangan pa ba yun? Never mind. Mukha namang legit yung story. Go na. Oh. Ano nangyari? Nasaan na yung laptop? Wala! Uy, totoo ba? Hindi naman ako nag-follow sa social media. Bakit ka nag-update yung tape? Tignan mo sa friend ng yung Wait lang. Oh my God! Sino ko nagamit ang phone ko? Ano to? Hello?
Magandang araw. Po ba si Shino? Your loan of 20,000 pesos is past due. Kailan po kayo makakabayad?
Ha? Anong loan? Hindi naman ako naglo-loan. Hala? Oh my God! Nawawala rin yung pera ko! Dahil lang sa site na yun!
Identity theft.
Identity theft.
Identity theft.
Identity theft.
The Philippine National Police Anti-Cybercrime Group reminds the public to be cautious in giving personal information online, clicking suspicious website links, or downloading file attachments from dubious sources after noting that cyber identity theft cases rose by 12.2% last year. In a statement, PNP ACG Director Major General Sidney Hernia says that the ACG logged 1,597 theft cases in 2023, up from 1,402 cases in 2022. The National Privacy Commission says the individuals victimized by identity theft could file a complaint at their office.